53% ako na lang. Ano, nakaroon naman sa taga-hook na sa CCDC. Taga-hook na CCDC na tissue.
On court number 2, we'll be playing the last crossover of our level C between Kenneth and Ives versus Sir Ave and Scarlett, court number 2. Kenneth and Ives versus Sir Ave and Scarlett, court number 2. Alright, sige, ladies and gentlemen, Sir Chris, are you still around? We'll be awarding our mixed doubles level A. Mixed doubles level A, please proceed to our awarding area. Mixed doubles level A, standby tayo sa ating mga awardees for our mixed doubles level A. JP, hintayin lang natin matapos yung game nila Scarlett. Games on deck, standby. We have Miko and Angelica versus MJ and Deborah. We have Ray and Iya versus Herschel and Leia. We have Carl and Jana versus Alpin and Ashley. We have Kurt and Rain versus Gerald and Casella. We have Ryan and Fitzy versus Summer and Radcliffe, standby. Alright, so pili tayo ng mananalo ng itong ating pouch na inabel. Alright? Pouch na inabel. Piling number ay 230. Alright, so 230. Sino kayo na biniyayaan ng ating 230 na pangalan? We have Jada Sarmiento. If you still around, Jada Sarmiento. Jada Sarmiento, countdown ba natin? Jada Sarmiento. Next 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, forfeit natin si Jada. Pili tayo ng ibang number. Alright, ang napili na number ay 201 at ang 201, ang nanalo ay si Charles Aiban. We have games on deck. Standby. We have Miko and Angelica versus Mary Jane and Devereaux. We have Ray and Iya versus Herschel and Leia. We have Carl and Jana versus Alpine and Ashley. We have Kurt and Rain versus Gerald and Gacela. So standing by tayo sa ating awarding sa ating mixed double A after the game o in the court 2, sa court 2. Alright, so standby tayo. Game on deck, standby. We have Miko and Angelica versus MG and Devereaux. We have Ray and Iya versus Hershey and Leia. We have Carl and Jana versus Alpine and Ashley. Alright, in court number 4, please proceed to court number 4. We have Miko and Angelica versus Mary Jane and Devereaux, court number 4. In court number 1, please proceed to court number 1. We have Ray and Iya versus Herschel and Leia, court number 1.
namin
Ray and
kaya!
Iya versus...
Ay, hindi namin kaya. Baga meron. Hindi namin kaya.
Partner ko kasi. Ate!
Hanagami nga babulon. Basol namin.
Nagko-coach daw yung lalaki. Dapat daw B yun.
Ha?
Dapat B yung laro.
Dapat?
Yung kinalaro niya,
Yes po.
B.
Well, ang dapat coach kasi Suna at kami nga carry. Nag-explain sa camera.